Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to prevent yourself from WhatsApp hacks. Okay, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and leave a comment. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. Okay, so first of all, these are the tips you are going to follow. Okay, so the first one says we should update our phone anytime WhatsApp releases an update. Okay, so you have to make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. You can simply do that by going to your App Store or Play Store. Then you search for WhatsApp, okay, and check whether it's up to date or not. Okay, so since mine is not up to date, I'll just quickly update it. Okay, so you wait for it to load and it's finished loading, that's all. Okay, so secondly you have to be careful of your verification codes. Don't send your verification code to anyone. Maybe you'll be there and someone will just text you and be like, I'm from maybe a group and they are doing some sort of verification, so you should forward your verification code to them. They are scammers and hackers, so you should be aware of that. And last but not the least, two-step verification. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide in activating your two-step verification. Okay, so you head over to your WhatsApp, you go to settings, which is over here. Then since it's an account related issue, you go to account. Okay, and you tap on it. After tapping on it, you go to the second option, which says two-step verification. All right, then when you see turn on, it means your two-step verification is not activated, so you have to activate it. So you tap on turn on. Okay, so you'll be asked to enter a 6-digit pin. Make sure the pin you are going to enter, you remember it all the time, because WhatsApp will give you a notification to enter this 6-digit pin. Okay, so let me just quickly enter my 6-digit pin. Okay, so it says turning on two-step verification. When you are done, it will ask you to add your email. Don't skip it, just add your email. So I'm going to type my email. Alright, so when I'm done, I'll just confirm it. So they'll send a verification code to my email. I'll wait for it. When it comes, then I'll just confirm. I'll just go to my mailbox. I'll go to my mailbox. As you can see, it's here, 752 352. Then I'll just tap on verify. Okay, so that's all for the two-step verification. So as you can see, it's over here. If you want to change your your 6-digit pin at any time, you can just turn on change pin. Then you just change your pin. In case you forget your 6-digit pin, you can just come here, tap on turn on, and it will give you everything to reset your two-step verification. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe. If you've not subscribed yet, like the video and please share for others to learn this tip. Thank you for watching this video.